Hello, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to say I'm working now in many different languages. So, in Serbian, Bosnian and Croatian, it will be sada radim. In Montenegrin, it will be sada rabotam. In modern Standard Arabic, people say al-an ana amal. In Egyptian Arabic, it will be ana bashtagal dewati. In Turkish it will be şimdi çalışıyorum, and in Spanish it will be estoy trabajando ahora. In Italian it would be sto lavorando adesso or ora. In Chinese it will be 我想在正在工作. In Greek dejevu tora, in Slovak teraz pracujem. In Japanese it will be ninafanya kazisasa. Okay. Ninafanya kazisasa. Okay, I like it. Okay, in Azerbaijan people would say men indi işleyelim. In Polish, people say pracuję teraz. In Ukrainian, people say ja zaraz pracuję. Okay. In Czech, people say prawie pracuję. In Macedonian, people say jas rabotam sega. In German, people say ich arbeite gerade. In French, people say je travaille maintenant. And in Portuguese, at least from Brazil, people would say eu estou trabalhando agora. And in Esperanto, people say mi laboras nun. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please tell me which one was your favorite one in your comment. Take care, bye bye.